of the government. In fact, Mr. President, there is an influential individual who said that there's no billion peso funding for flood control in Bicol. And I'm sure our good Senate President would attest to this. Mr. President, we have done our research and our information is definitely contrary to these claims. May we know, just for the record, Mr. President, I'm sorry we don't have a bigger caption here. There you go. Mr. President, may we ask the Department of Public Works and Highways to verify this claim? How many billions have been allocated to various flood control projects in 2023 and in 2024, Mr. President?